Hello, diligent learners. Welcome to Quick and Easy Learnings. Taking effective study notes is a cornerstone of successful learning. In this video, we'll explore strategies to craft comprehensive and helpful study notes. Before we delve into creating remarkable study notes, picture your notes as a roadmap to knowledge, and your focus as the compass guiding your learning journey. We'll uncover essential techniques that can transform your note-taking process into a valuable learning tool. Tip number 1. Understand the material. Our first tip: understand the material. Comprehend the material thoroughly. Before jotting down notes, highlight key concepts, definitions, and critical points. Understanding lays the groundwork for effective note-taking. Tip 2. Organize your notes. Next, organize your notes. Develop a systematic approach. Use headings, bullet points, and formatting to organize information logically. A well-structured layout enhances clarity and aids quick revision. Tip 3. Use visual aids. Now, use visual aids. Incorporate visuals like diagrams, graphs, and mind maps. Visual representations help condense information and reinforce understanding. Tip 4. Review and summarize. Our fourth tip: review and summarize. Regularly review your notes and create summaries. Summarization reinforces retention and aids in quick revision during exams. Tip 5. Personalize your style. Lastly, personalize your style. Experiment with different styles that suit your learning preferences. Customize your notes using color codes, abbreviations, or mnemonic devices for better retention. Conclusion. As we conclude, remember that effective study notes are not just records, but invaluable tools that bolster your learning journey. Tailor your notes to fit your learning style. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow learners. Subscribe to Quick and Easy Learnings for more insightful content.